Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the gamepad or the controller not working in EA FC 26, whether you are on PC, PlayStation or Xbox. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to check your internet connection. If you are using a wired controller, you need to unplug and plug it back in, then restart the game. For wireless controllers, you can try reconnecting through the Bluetooth and make sure that the battery is charged. In the step 2, what you need to do is you need to simply disable other inputs. So sometimes the keyboard or another device conflicts with the gamepad. So you can try unplugging the extra USB devices and leave only your controller connected. You can also try configuring the controller settings. For that, you need to open EAFC26, then you need to go to the settings, then go to controller. There you need to make sure that your input device is set correctly. If it shows keyboard only, you can change it to your controller mode. Now if you are playing it through Steam, you can go to Steam, then go to settings, then go to controller, then go to the general controller settings, and from there you can enable the option that matches your device, whether it is Xbox, PlayStation or generic. Then you just have to restart both your Steam and the game. On PC you can also try updating the drivers as well, and make sure that you update your other things that you see here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.